Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of living room decoration and interior design. If you're looking to revamp your living space, choosing the right color and theme is crucial. Whether you're aiming for a modern, aesthetic, eco-friendly, vintage, or luxury look, we've got you covered. Plus, we'll be highlighting 3 trending colors that can transform your living room into a stylish haven. Let's get started. First things first, why are color and themes so important in interior design? The colors you choose can set the mood and atmosphere of your living room. They can make a space feel warm and cozy, bright and energetic, or calm and serene. The theme, on the other hand, ties everything together and gives your room a cohesive look. Think of your living room as a canvas. The colors and themes are your paint and brush. When chosen thoughtfully, they can turn your living room into a masterpiece. Let's talk about some trending colors that can enhance any living room. Here are 3 colors that are making waves in the interior design world right now. First up, we have sage green. This soft, muted green is perfect for creating a calm and relaxing environment. It brings a touch of nature indoors, making it ideal for eco-friendly and modern themes. Pair sage green walls with wooden furniture and plenty of plants for a fresh, organic feel. Sage green also works well with neutral tones like beige and cream, which can help balance the color and keep the room feeling light and airy. Next, we have navy blue. This deep, rich color exudes sophistication and elegance, making it a great choice for luxury and vintage themes. Navy blue walls can make a bold statement, especially when paired with metallic accents like gold or brass. For a modern twist, combine navy blue with white or light gray furniture. This contrast creates a clean, contemporary look that's both stylish and timeless. Last but not least, we have terracotta. This warm, earthy color is perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Terracotta is great for aesthetic and vintage themes, bringing a touch of rustic charm to your living room. Pair terracotta with natural materials like wood and leather for a harmonious look. You can also mix in some boho chic elements, like patterned cushions and woven rugs, to enhance the aesthetic appeal. Now that we've covered some trending colors, let's see how they can be matched with different living room concepts. For a modern living room, simplicity and functionality are key. Choose a neutral base color like white or light gray, and use sage green as an accent color. Incorporate sleek furniture with clean lines and add a few statement pieces like a geometric rug or a minimalist coffee table. Navy blue can also be a striking choice for a modern living room. Use it on an accent wall or in your furniture, and balance it with lighter shades to keep the room from feeling too dark. For an aesthetic living room, focus on creating a visually pleasing space with a mix of textures and patterns. Terracotta is perfect for this concept. Use it on your walls or in your decor items like cushions and vases. Mix in some greenery and wooden elements to complete the look. You can also use sage green to enhance the natural, calming vibe of an aesthetic living room. Combine it with neutral tones and plenty of plants for a refreshing, tranquil space. For a vintage living room, embrace rich colors and antique pieces. Navy blue is a fantastic choice. Use it on your walls or in your upholstery. Look for vintage furniture with ornate details and add some brass or gold accents for a touch of elegance. Terracotta can also work in a vintage setting, especially when paired with retro patterns and mid-century modern furniture. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips for choosing the right colors and themes for your living room. 1. Consider your space. The size and natural light in your living room can influence how colors appear. Lighter colors can make small spaces feel larger, while darker colors add coziness to bigger rooms. 2. Balance and harmony. Ensure that the colors and themes you choose complement each other. Balance bold colors with neutrals to create harmony. 3. Personal touch. Ultimately, your living room should reflect your personal style. Don't be afraid to mix and match elements to create a space that feels uniquely yours. And that's a wrap on our guide to living room decoration and interior design. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.